Hey, what's up, everybody? I hope everybody's doing good. I wanted to share this video with you, and it's a tutu that I made for my granddaughter. She's not here yet, but she'll be here in October. I used tulle 14 inches stretchy elastic and some white ribbon that was 7 inches long. I'm sorry about not being in the camera. I know you couldn't see some of the things that I was doing, but the next video I'm going to put up, I'm going to make sure that you can see everything that I'm doing. So please feel free to leave a comment in the bottom. And please like the video. I worked so hard on this. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.